The Array tool in uMake is a powerful tool that lets you create polar arrays of objects. This is a great tool for making designs such as clocks, watch faces, car wheels, or flower petals. Simply select the elements you would like to make an array to design with, and then tap Array in the side menu. You will notice that 5 copies of the selected elements will appear overlapped. In the middle, you'll notice a small green circle. This is the center point for the polar array. If you tap and drag this point, your array will change based on the location of the center point for the array. Your array will also change based on the orientation of the camera. We highly recommend working in orthographic views when using the array function. In the side menu, you can select how many copies of each object you want, up to 16 copies. You can also choose the degrees that the array works within, from 30 degrees to 360 degrees. One last tip that you might find helpful. If you create an array inside of a circle and move the green point, it will automatically snap to the center of that circle. This makes creating things like wheels or fans very easy. Try out the Array tool to create some cool complex designs.